Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel and also welcome to last session of 2021 Polset entrance examination. Friends, this video mainly your encouragement of our channel, that is based on I am doing this video for especially for you. Dear children, in this video I am going to explain perfectly. Out of mathematics 16 by 60 by 60 questions you have to attempt it, you will get 60 by 60 marks compulsory if you think it is possible, no doubt at all. In this way, what is the examination tips, what are the tips we should follow before the exam, in the exam, on the exam, what are the main focusing points before the exam about mathematics, I am going to tell today. You have to listen carefully till end of the video, dear children. And first of all, everybody has to understand one important point is that what is confidence? Your confidence. You only judge your talent. You only judge your abilities. You only judge your caliber. So that is the reason you trust your work. Trust yourself. Don't get in dilemma. You are in perfect. You practice one book, enough that book. You see this channel, you see, that's it. Don't see so many books, don't see so many videos, nothing. You follow one book, one video, one concept, one way, then definitely you will be succeeded. In these examination tips, the first point, these are the examination tips for you, my dear children. First of all, you have to build, you are entering into the polytechnic. Your goal is just, you are writing time pass, you are writing perfect. You want to get the polytechnic seat, you want. Yes, your goal is decided. You practice many days onwards, right? Am I right? So you trust yourself. Then that confidence you have to keep in this day and tomorrow up to 1 o'clock. Then you will get the seat, no doubt at all. And before exam day, you don't get any confusion. Don't get any tension. You have to cool to practice, cool to watch the videos, cool to understand the concept. Then night early to go to bed. తొందరగా పడుకోవాలి. తొందరగా లేవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. పర్ఫెక్ట్ 6 to 7 hours పడుకోండి. మార్నింగ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డైలీ 5 o'clock వేస్తున్నాను అనుకో, 6కి లేవండి. 6కి లేస్తున్నాను అనుకో, 7కి లేవండి. పర్ఫెక్ట్గా నిద్రపోవాలా, హ్యాపీగా నిద్రపోవాలా. బిఫోర్ ఎగ్జామ్కి ఇలాంటి సినిమాలు కానీ గేమ్స్ కానీ ఏం చేయకండి, ప్రశాంతంగా పడుకోండి. మార్నింగ్ ప్రశాంతంగా లేవండి, హ్యాపీగా లేవండి. దట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ టేక్ ద లైట్ ఫుడ్ మీన్స్ ఇడ్లీ, వాట్, డోంట్ టేక్ ఆయిల్ ఫుడ్ అమ్మా. Light food, bread, idli, like that you can eat it. Now you can once you have to recall the what we have discussed, what we have completed, what are the topics which is maintained in your notebook. Something is there now, you have to check it before 1 hour. Now before 30 minutes you can reach the center. Exam 11 o'clock అంటే minimum 10:30 కన్నా ఉండాలి అక్కడ. ఎగ్జామ్ హాల్లో 10:30కి 11 o'clock ఎంటర్ అవుతాయి, 10:30కి పంపిస్తారు. కాబట్టి మీరు ముందే ఉంటే ఎగ్జామ్కి 1 hour బిఫోర్ అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ చిట్ చాట్ అంతా మాట్లాడడం అంతా అన్యూజ్గా మైండ్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్, ఆఫ్టర్ యు ఆర్ మీటింగ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ సంథింగ్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, వై షుడ్ వి టేక్ దట్ రిస్క్? హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ బిఫోర్ ఎనఫ్. బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు దాట్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ యూ మస్ట్ బ్రింగ్, you today only purchase 2 beautiful pens. One company is Rorito company, second company is Cello Butterflow company. Rorito, Butterflow, these 2 pens are bubbling time, it is very useful for you. If you are doing bubbling automatically on the OMR sheet, it will goes to very smooth. That is the reason better to purchase. And as well as like this bubblings you have to make it up to 20, 50, 30, 60 some circle you make it on the paper. Do practice, just you have to practice this. Many days onwards you are not practicing, no, you just practicing bubbling sheet. How to bubble it also I will tell you, don't worry. What are the pens? Rorito, Reynolds Butterflow, Cello Butterflow pens. You purchase 2 pens, 2 black pens enough, and one beautiful pencil, because it is working. The pencil is having this side rubber also very important. Another rubber no need. One pencil is having top of the position rubber. That pencil you have to purchase. Then I told you first point is మార్నింగ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా లేవండి, నైట్ తొందరగా పడుకోండి. లేచిన వెంటనే టెన్షన్ పడకూడదు. ఇదివరకు ఏదైతే టాపిక్స్ కవర్ చేసామో అవన్నీ చదవండి, రైట్. బిఫోర్ డే అంటే ఈ రోజు మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే నైట్ మంచి హాయిగా బబ్లింగ్ షీట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, బబ్లింగ్ చేయండి, ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ 2 పెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలా. ఓఎంఆర్ బబ్లింగ్ ఎలాంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకోవాలి ఎగ్జామ్స్ ముందు చెప్పాను, లైట్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోండి, ఆయిల్ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోకండి, టెన్షన్ ఏం పడకండి, ఓకేనమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ మంచి మాస్క్ ధరించండి, ఓకే. సోషల్ డిస్టెన్స్తో హాయిగా ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యాం. నౌ గేమ్ ఈజ్ స్టార్ట్ and the time what we have to do, first check the hall ticket, your name, surname, father name, whatever it is there on that instructions. Once you read patience, you have to see the instruction, at least name of the student, father name, mother name, date of birth, center, these are all the things you see your hall ticket also. If it is any mistake is there in that happen, don't take tension, go intimate the invigilator, he will see everything, don't worry. And when they are giving question paper, when they are giving OMR sheet, that is also you have to check it with your names will be there, the code also same or not, okay. In that question paper 150 120 questions, biological students, those who are writing agriculture 150, those who are writing only engineering means 120 enough. 120 questions are there in order or not. Once you open the, when they are saying that time, open it and check the all the questions, don't direct go to write the exam, check the all the questions once, okay. These are all will come within 2 minutes, that's it. Then in the exam time, for example, you attempt of the question, this is important, amma. Who will winner? Everybody practice, but some persons only going to winner. Why? On the time of 2 hours, on the time of 3 hours, such exams I am saying, that person will use his brain in certain way, that fellow became a winner. You also winner, you want to become a winner, means you should follow like that. Maths is there, physics is there, chemistry is there, biology is there. First, which subject is easy for you, that subject you first attempt, amma. For example, as a student, my subject is maths, I should attempt maths questions because I have to complete the maths, then remaining rest of the time I am going to see another subject. Some other students as to interested chemistry will start, some other physics, like that you can go. But mathematics you should complete within 1 hour. We have 2 hours time, 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes, 60 or 70, last 70 minutes you can take and complete it, because we follow many techniques. One question 1 minute enough. So remaining the 1 hour you can put. Last 5 minutes you should cover all the things. Now attempting the questions, when you are going to do the rough work, on the paper only do, don't go for space, last space work, the rough work will be there, no? You turn the paper, this is not good. You can, question paper is there, top corner, end corner have the some space. That space you can utilize with the pencil, okay, no? That space you can utilize, and where 5 questions after you can make it bubbly. For example, first answer you got, answer is 2. Just in this first answer is 1, in this 2, this is 3, 4 will be there, no? First answer is just to make a dot with pencil or pen, but once you keep the dot, never change. The computer will not accept another option. Carefully dot it. Otherwise, make it pencil, your choice. But this work will be very span of time. Fatafat, you have to be perfect. Now second answer you are not getting, leave it. Third answer, third dot. Fourth answer, like this. If you are keeping 5-6 questions after take the OMR sheet, it is like a very carefully use the OMR sheet. This is a very important, because the computer will scan, no? So if you turn the tear, the sound, wet, the anything, the computer will not accept them. Be careful. Now how to do the bubbling? Somebody is doing bubbling like this. It will comes outside. Somebody is doing bubble like this. So you see, it is not perfect. So better to go these two are wrong method. First you have to do the bubbling, the technique I am telling to you. Starts with not middle, starts with the corners like this. Or starts with the corners like this. Now come to in center. Then it is looking very nice. That 2 pens, Rolito or Butterfly pens can be helpful for you. Don't cross over the line. Okay, don't leave the some space. These are the important bubbling techniques for you. You are doing your bubbling, for example, you are doing your bubbling like this. Once again I am doing that for your convenience. After that, children, this question is not attempted. Like that, in the question paper only make a round up. You make it, how many questions are you are not attempted, round up it. That questions you see, this finger also we can show that. Second question not updated. Third question, third, fourth. Like this, you can check it on the OMR sheet very carefully. If you miss the one order, all questions will run. Right? Now, finally, next term, which one is not completed? That again you have to do the paperwork, do the concentration. In the 4 option, you have to check the 4 option. 2, you have to remove it, remaining 2 between the answer. That time you will get the perfect answer. And in your mind, what is the first answer getting your brain? Your brain will give. That is the maybe 99.99%. That is the answer. Don't go in dilemma, double system, double mind. Don't think double mind. Okay? This is the bubbling up system. Now, rough work you have to do on the corner, top, down of the paper. Finally, in the exam hall, don't discuss with anybody. If you know, you trust yourself, that is the correct answer. You practice well, no? That can be useful for you. Okay, na? Once again, I have to repeat the 5 points very clearly. Fatafat. Before exam, you purchase the 2 pens. Bubbling, you have to make a bubbling order. Just practice it. Okay, na? Now, before exam, before exam, you have to go to for bed very early and wake up somewhat late. Don't worry, take 6 to 7 hours. Perfect sleeping. Take light food. Before half an hour, go to the center. In the center, don't talk, don't chit chat anything. Now, perfect all ticket and pens, pencil, everything is there with you. Let us see once again, check it once again. The new pens directly don't enter here, don't bubbling on the exam time. Before exam, you can something you have to practice that pens. Okay, now in the exam time, you check the hall ticket, the details, instruction, everything. On the time of exam, you see the questions, all the questions are there in your question paper or not. The code and everything will be there or not once you check it. Then finally you start the exam. Time of exam. First, which subject is easy for you, that you can start. Next, you can go for second, third, like that. Last 5 minutes, you attempt all the questions. There is no negative mark. Now, confidently, you will come outside. Definitely, you will get the rank. My dear children, now you understand? Now, I am going to explain what are the most focusing point on each and every chapter. Just literally, already explained in our videos very clear. Very clear. My best of the knowledge I put on that. But anyhow, before one day, somebody are one, no? That is the reason I am doing this 14th chapter, important points. That points you see on the board. Let us now see, children, what are the most focusing topics before the exam on real numbers, on sets. Real numbers, HCF, LCF, concept based on question. Which is terminating decimal, which is non-terminating decimal. What are the laws of closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Prime factorization, logarithm, expand form, single logarithms, and find the value of x. Like this, they are asking in the exam time. In sets, scheduler form converted roster to converted to scheduler. Now, based on what is empty set, which of the following is empty set, which is finite set, which is infinite set. Venn diagram, Venn based diagram, order of sets, number of elements in the set, and the number of subsets of set, and last finally formula. These are the questions, just literally I am going to take a mark. But each and every topic already we discussed in that, you see that. But anyhow, again once you have to recall the information. Right now, what I am doing here, you can say the answer. Without option I am giving, you see. Without option I am giving. Without option you can say the answer, then you will get the answer. See children. The HCF of 2015-4030 means by using Euclid division lemma or else long division method. 2015 2 ja 4030, remainder 0. This is the answer. Logic. 2000 double 4000, 15 double 30. So answer is 2015. Direct answer. Next, the LCM of 2 power 3, 3 square, 2 square, 3 cube. I told you LCM is maximum power. Maximum power. HCM is smallest power. LCM is maximum power. In this maximum power value 2 cube. In this maximum power value 3 cube. This is the answer. 2 cube into 3 cube. Option will be there in that. No doubt. Next, which of the following is terminating decimal? I told you what is the condition for terminating decimal. That like also they will ask in the exam. 1 by the denominator must be in the form of 2 to the power of m, 5 to the power of n. That means the denominator must have the bases 2 and 5. Here 2 cube is there. Here 5 and 13 and 7 will come. Here 7 into 5 will come. Here 3 is there. 3 is there. Here 5 is there but 7 extra. It is not. Here 5 is there, 13, 7 extra. It is not. Only option is 17 by 8. If you know this idea to convert the denominator into as a power notation, in the 2 and 5 will be there. Only 2 there, only 5 will be there, no problem. 2 and 5 also there, no problem. But any other number will be there. It is not a terminating decimal. It is a It's not. It is a non-terminated. This is a terminated decimal. Now, children, one more interesting question. Here, one time they gave a plus b equals to 5, ab equals 6, then a cube plus b cube. Don't go with a plus b won't be formula. Then nothing at all. Logic. Answer to question. You can to apply here 2 plus 3 5. You can apply here 2 into 3 from the option 6. These two can be satisfied. Now automatically you can substitute here. A value 2, B value 3. Nothing but 8 plus 27. That is nothing but 35. Finish. Right? Next. Find the prime factors of 156. You know LCM method. Simple amma. Even number. 2 7 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 9 ja. Okay? Next. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So 2 into 3 into 13. 2 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 8 is 16, 2 3 is 6, carry 1, 2 9 is 18, 13 3 is 11. So these are the prime factors. Sometimes they are asking how many number of prime factors. How many are there? 3 are there. 2, 3, 13. How many prime factors are there here? 3. What are they means? This is the answer. How many number of prime factors means? You can write option 1, 2, 3. 3 will be there. That is your answer. Next. Log of x plus y by 3 equals 1 by 2 log x. You don't do any long method. Just it is in power notation. This is 3 square minus 2. 3 square minus 2. 7. Answer finish. 9 minus 2, 7. Next. Which of the following is not a set? Which of the following is not a set means if you know the set. Yes. Star all even numbers set. Rose, lily, jasmine set. Collection of world animals set. The stars in the sky is not a set. How many stars are there in the sky? How can we determine? So it is not determined, not defined. That is the reason it is not a set. Answer is 1. A equals 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Converted into set below 1. What are them? Prime numbers. Say therefore x such that like this you can keep it. X belongs to natural number. X is a prime. X is a prime less than or equals to 17. Or x is a prime less than or equals here 13 there, no? Less than or equals 13 or less than 17. This is answer. Prime, x is a prime. Less than or equals 13 or less than 17. Here including 13, here excluding 17. Now factors of 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5 is the prime number. Factors of 25. 1, 5, 25. These are the factors. Yes, caterpillar converted into roast. Caterpillar converted into roast. Maybe they are asking some application A union B, P, A minus B, anything we can write. Here P union Q is asking 1, 5, 1, 5, 25. So we can write all the elements 1, 5, 25. Union. Intersection means 5, 5. Minus means 1, 5, 1, 5 get cancelled. Have you understand? Right. If n of a equals to 5, then the number of subset. I told you in the set order of set is 5. How many number of subsets? 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of 5. How many? 32. Sometimes they are giving like this. We can find order. Order given we can find like that. For example, sometimes 2 to 128 subset will be there. Power notation converted in 2 to the power of 7. Formula 2 power of n. 2 is common. N equals 7. How many elements are there in the set? 7. Like that your mind will be think. Okay. Next. If n of a equals to 20, n of a equals 44, n of a will be 15, then n of a intersection. Simple formula. N of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection. Anything is asking like this. N of a union b 51, a 20, b 44. Find this one. 64. 64 minus 51, 13. Answer will be 13. 64 minus 51, 13. This is the way some questions I am explaining. Now let us see polynomials and linear equation 2 variable. Now see children, in polynomials and linear equation 2 variable, simple nana. In polynomial, they are giving polynomial, we should find roots. They are giving roots are zeros. They are giving zeros and roots, we should find polynomial. Okay na? And they are giving graphical representation, we have to find the number of zeros. And they are giving one root, we should find another root. They are giving alpha beta, we should find 1 by alpha beta values. Means these are the main focusing point I have written on the board. You see 6 questions. Okay na? Now I am not writing options. You see better. This is the ending moment. You can guess the answer. If I write the options will be there. That is the option. But direct answer we should get. That is the encouragement purpose. I am not writing options. Okay. Next, and time is very less. No, that is the reason also. And linear equation main 3 conditions: intersecting, parallel, dependent, and or in other way inconsistent, consistent and dependent. These are the condition, and according to this condition we have to write the nature of the linear equation as well as find the missing value, k value, p value, whatever it is asking. Let us see the answers, my dear children. This graph intersect the x-axis 4 places, 1, 2, 3. So number of zeros 4. This graph will intersect the x-axis, only x-axis 1. This intersect 3 places, 3. Number of zeros 4, 1, 3. Like this graphs are given, you can write by putting the dots, then you will get the answer on x-axis only. Next, find the number of zeros of this question. Simple, Amma. I told you one beautiful technique. Options will be there, we have to guess it. But logic you see. 6 3 is a minus 18. Minus 18, here 7 we have to get. 9 2 is 18. Here bigger number, here minus is there, bigger number minus. Now shortcut. This is a plus minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. Now 6 will divide these two terms. Here anything is not there means direct answer plus 9 minus 2. Here 6 will be there, no? Divided by 6. Okay. Now 3 3 is 3 2 is 2 1 is 2 3 is minus 3 by 2 1 by 3. It will come outside plus 3 by 2. It will come outside minus 1 by 3. In your option plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 will be there. What I have done? 6 3 is minus here. Plus into minus. That is important. Some of the students are getting plus 18. They will get the answer. That is option also there. But that is wrong. Here plus into minus, minus 18, 9 2 is 18, bigger number here, 7 minus is there, bigger number put minus, remaining is plus. This will be divided by 6, you will get minus 3 by 2. These are the factors, these are the roots are zeros. Minus 3 by 2 come outside, plus 3 by 2, plus 1 by 3 come outside, minus. This is a perfect final answer. Okay. Next. Find the quadratic polynomial whose here polynomial is given, zeros find out. Here zeros given, we should find polynomial. Yes, the formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Okay, na? Now alpha is given minus 2, beta is given 1 by 3. We have to find alpha plus beta. Yes, 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 3. Right, alpha into beta, minus 2 into 1 by 3, nothing but minus 2 by 3. These values substitute there. X square minus 5 by 3 into x, alpha beta value minus 2 by 3. There plus will be there, here minus, plus into minus, minus. Now LCM, 3 3 3 LCM, 3 will comes to here. Direct answer 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. Right? 3 is the LCM, 3 will comes to here. 3x square minus into minus plus 5x minus 2 by 3 equals 0. 3 transfer right side 3 into 0, 0 na? So final answer 3x square plus 5x minus 2. That's it. Next, dear children. Now, if alpha comma beta are the zeros of x square plus x plus 1, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. You see logic. So x square plus x plus 1, sum of the roots formula minus b by a. Here b is x coefficient 1, a coefficient x square 1. Now alpha into beta, c by a constant is 1. Here x square by 1, 1 by 1, 1. These are we are getting. But what is asking 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta? Do the cross multiplication. Simple, we should get answer, my dear children. Beta 1 ja beta, alpha 1 ja alpha, by alpha into beta, alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta value minus 1, alpha into beta value 1, minus 1 by 1, minus 1 is the answer. Right? Now next question. P of x equals, this is given, then P of 2. Substitute in the place of 2, x equals substitute. That's value is asking, value is asking, value is asking. 2 square, 4, 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6, minus 5, 14 minus 5, 9, that is the answer. I am doing somewhat fast because we practice well now. So that is the way we have to adapt it to our brain, habituated to our mind, right? Next, now come to the linear equation 2 variable. What are the conditions? Yes, if ax plus a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 is the linear equation in 2 variable, general form. If a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, these lines are said to be intersecting lines or are consistent lines. It has one solution. CMA, 3 questions covered. Next, a1 by a2 not a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Then it is called parallel lines or inconsistent. Parallel lines or consistent lines. It has no solution. Parallel lines, no solution. Right? Now, if a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 is called dependent lines or consistent and dependent lines or coincident lines. It has many solutions. Overlapping, many solutions. Intersecting lines, one solution. Parallel lines, no solution. Dependent lines, many solution. Now, children, general condition of linear equation must be, condition of polynomial is, quadratic equation is, a must be not equal 0. Here condition of linear equation, a1 square plus b1 square not equal 0. a2 square plus b2 square not equal 0. That is important. Which of the following condition for the linear equation two variable? a1 square plus b1 square not equal 0. a2 square plus b2 square also not equal 0. Okay na? Now ax plus by plus c given means a square plus b square not equal 0. You can keep in your mind. Now see the questions. Condition for linear equation completely I said. This is the two questions are, which of the following questions are, find the nature. What is the nature means, before going to find, first you can write a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. First condition, a1 by a2, b1 by b2. a1 3, a2 2, b1 plus 2 minus 3. Both are not equal. First two only not equal. What is the condition? Intersecting. In the option intersecting will be the tricky. In the option consistent, there means you can do consistent. Okay. Next, second one, a1 by a2, 2 by 4, b1 by b2, b1 minus 3 minus 6, c1 by c2, 8 by 9. See children, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2, not equals to 8 by, yes, first two are equal, third one not equals. It is like a parallel lines. In the option parallel will be there, you can write parallel. In the option inconsistent is there, you can write inconsistent option. Okay. Next. Here 5, here minus 10. 5 by a1 by a2 b1 b2 minus 3 6. Like this you can check your fingers on the question paper also carefully. c1 c2 11 minus 20. Okay. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja. All we are getting minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Means a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. What is that condition? Yes, you are right. Dependent and coexistent. In that option, what is the correct? Consistent and independent. That is the answer. Children, these are very easy for you. Without option also you are saying. But this question very carefully. Two conditions are given. This nature is given. Here natures we only found it here. But here nature is given. Unique solution. Where is unique solution in the first condition? What is the first condition, Amma? a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. My dear friends, I am right. Now what is the condition? 2 a1 k a2 minus 3 b1 5 b2. Now unique solution. These two are unique solution. These two are to the cross multiply. 2 5 is 10 minus 3k. K equals to 10 by minus 3. Where k equals to minus 10 by 3 is the answer. This is when it is there, these two are not equals, then we will get the answer. a1 by a2, b1 by b2. Do the cross multiplication, you will get the k value minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3, put it, these two are intersecting, then it has unique solution. This is the way we have to do the linear equation question sum. Here what is given? Here intersecting or parallel, whatever it is given, you should compare it. Now do the cross multiplication, you will get the answer. Now let us go with quadratic equation progressions. K equals to 10 by minus 3, and that means these two not equal. In that option, k not equals to minus 10 by 3 is the option. Okay, now let us go with quadratic equation as well as followed by progressions. Now let us see here. These are the questions. What are the important points we have to focus on quadratic equation? Compulsory. What is the condition for quadratic equation? What is the nature of quadratic equation? Means discriminant. Discriminant has three natures: less than 0, imaginary roots, greater than 0, real and distinct roots, equal 0, real and equal roots. These are the one. Find k value, p value, like that. They are framing the application questions in quadratic equation especially. Now in progression, about arithmetic progression, it's nth term with a n term and s n term. That is enough this academic year because they are omitted some syllabus. No, from that you can see the question here, children. If the roots of 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0 are equal, then k. Here what is the important point? Pick it. Yes, equal. Means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Okay, na? Now then what about k? Here simple. K value here b a c. b k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal 0. K square 4 to the 8. 8 3 to 24. So k equals to k square equals 24. K equals to plus or minus root 24. Root 24 can be written as plus or minus 2 root 6. 2 root 6. This is our k value. Okay. Are equal means we can consider delta equals 0. Delta means discriminant equals 0. We can do like that. Okay. Next. Find the nature of this. Nature, same process. A equals to 2, B equals to minus 4, C equals to 3. A, B, C. B square minus 4 is again the formula. Minus 4 whole square, 4 into A value 2. Sign will be important. Plus minus signs will be very, very important. Here minus 4 power 2 will be there. We should get positive. Then 4 to the 8. 8 3 is 24. We should get minus 8. Minus 8 means less than 0. When the less than 0, so the roots are imaginary roots, does not exist. That is our answer of this question. Next, if x equals to 2 is the solution of this question, then value of k. Simple, in the place of x, substitute is 2. 2 square k into 2 plus 5. 2 square 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 2 into k, minus 2k. Plus 5 equals to 0. 8 plus 5 13 minus 2k equals 0. 2k equals to 13. K equals to 13 by 2. That's it. K equals to 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 is there in our option. Okay. Next. 1 root of 2x square plus kx minus 6 equals 0 is 2. 1 root is 2. Then k. Simple. Here also substitute the place of x is this 2. 2 square plus k into 2 minus 6. What I am doing, this question both are same. Here he mentioned x equals to, here he did not mention x equals to value. We have to consider this is the one root of this question. What about k value? Means both we can substitute. 4, 2 square value 4 to the 8, 2k minus 6 equals 0. 2k as it is 8 minus 6 plus 2 equals 0. 2k equals to minus 2, k equals to 2 by 2 minus 1. This is answer of this question. Have you understand? And more interesting question this is. This is like intermediate level question. Root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6. Root 42 minus root 42 minus root 42. Root 8 into root 8 into root 8. Like these questions are coming, we can solve that answer very easy method. Section. Fraction of seconds. You see. Root 6 plus plus plus. 6 factors, prime factors, whatever it is. 2, 3 are. Here plus is there, na? You can go with bigger number. That's it. Here minus will be there, na? You can go with small number. This is the number. Here into will be there, na? You can go with question only. Question only. Plus is there, bigger factor. Minus is there, small factor. Into will be there in the middle of the numbers. You can go with what is the question? That is the option, right? Next. If discriminant of 5x square minus px plus 12 equals 0 is 16, then find the value of p. It is discriminant is 16 given, means delta given 16. What is the formula of delta? B square minus 4 is. What is b? Minus p. Very carefully substitute the sign also, dear children. A value 5, C value 12. Yes, delta given 16. Very carefully. In the question only, you see, in the question paper only I am making a roundup. Question paper లోనే మనం సర్కిల్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఏమేమి ఇచ్చారు, ఏం రాయాలి, అది మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 50% ఆన్సర్ అక్కడే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా మిత్రమా? రైట్. 16 minus p whole square, p square minus 4 5s are 20. 22, 20 into 12, 240. So p square equals to 240 plus 16, 256. P square equals 256 root 250. Square root of 250. I told you, square of numbers up to 30, cube of numbers up to 10. తెలిసిన పిల్లలకి ఇది ఎంత ఈజీ. Square root 250, 16. తక్కువని చెప్పచ్చు. P equals 16. Answer of this question is 16. Okay na? Next, see the question. From the 10th term, from the end of AP 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 4 and so on minus 55. I told you very excellent logic for you, very easiest shortcut for you. From the end, ఒక వర్డ్ కనిపించింది అనుకున్నామా, ఎండ్ అని కనిపించింది, మేము a plus n minus 1 into d పెట్టి చేయొచ్చు. It will take 1 minute. But 30 seconds సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. Let us see the formula. L minus of n minus 1 into d. Finish answer. What is L? last number minus L is my last term. N is asking 10th term, 10 minus 1. D minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 because D means 1 na. A2 minus A1 here A2 minus 1 A2 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 okay minus 3 minus 55 as it is right here minus 9 into minus 3 minus into minus plus 9 3 is 27 minus 55 minus 55 minus 20 plus 27 minus 28 how it is answered very easy no? Next which term this formula will be there in your mind friend you can crack it in the exam time. Which term of the AB is minus 55 here not end here end term will be there here not there in this also we have one beautiful formula given number minus A by D plus 1 given number minus A by D plus 1 I told you this all the formulas in there just I am recap it before the exam I am giving boosting to you dear children especially my viewers. Now dear children given number minus 55 A first number D common difference 1 minus 3 minus 2 A2 minus A1 A2 minus A1 minus 2 sign is very important now minus 2 plus 1 minus 55 minus 3 minus 58 by minus 2 minus cancel 2 1 ja 2 29 ja 29 pakkana plus undama 29 plus 1 30 this answer will be 30. Which term is minus 55? 30th term. Which term is end of the one means minus 28. What are the formulas you will keep in your mind? Yes. Next. X, Y, Z are in AP, then Y is what? X, Y, Z, A, B, C, whatever it is given. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Separate the like terms. We will get like this. Minus Y comes to plus Y, minus X goes to that same plus X. Y 2y equals to x plus z or z plus x. Now y is equals z plus x by 2. Here y is asking now. Sometimes they are asking 2y. Here answer enough. Sometimes they are asking y minus x. Here answer enough. This question are having three type of answers. Here y is asking, you can write z plus x by 2. When 2y is asking z plus x, y minus x asking, you can write z minus y. Whatever it is, for example, he is asking z here. Z అడిగాడు అనుకోండి ఏం లేదమ్మా మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ని పంపించండి 2y minus x అవుతుంది అంతేనా రైట్ in AP 9 times of 9th term equals to 13 times of 13th term then which term is 0 yeah like this question 7 times 7th term like this any question are given you follow the logic is 9 is 9 times 13 is 13 times 13 plus 9 how much nana 22 a second term is 0 22nd term is 0. That's it answer. Nothing to worry. Next. The sum of first two, you see today who are watching this video, that fellows are how much they are getting knowledge. You see. Now, the sum of first 20 terms of AP. Sum of first 20. Sn. Yes, Sn of AP. Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into the. How to this formula derived? Called Federic Gauss. First term 16, right? N is 20, right? D 11 minus 16 minus 5. Substitute. N is 20 by 2. A value 16. N value 20 minus 1. D value minus 5. 20 by 2 10 nana. 16 to the 32 children. 20 minus 5 19. Here minus 5 because minus 5 how it is sir? Bigger number first to the other 11 minus 16 minus 5 వస్తుంది. So 10. 32, 19 plus into minus 5, plus into minus 19 5s are 95. 95 minus 3, 63. Bigger number having minus sign. So 10 into 63, 630. Here minus will be there. Minus 630. S20 is minus 620. 1 minute answer. Okay? Right. Next. Common difference of A18, A14 equals 32. నథింగ్ మిత్రమా మంచి మళ్ళీ మరి ఒక మజా వచ్చింది షార్ట్ కట్ 18 minus 14 4 will divided by 8 4 1 ja 4 will divided 32 4 1 ja 4 8 ja 32 so answer is 8 difference of these two number is 4 this 4 will divide this 32 we will get 8 is the answer see in these 5 6 questions 4 tricks I explained 4 tricks. Oh, except this question, I explain 4 tricks. Through our channel, we are giving lot of confidence. ఒక్క వర్డ్ చెప్తాను వినండి. ట్రిక్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కడ ఏ బుక్లో ఉండవు. ఎవరైతే ఎక్కువ సార్లు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ట్రిక్స్ తయారు చేసుకోగలరు. బై ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, బై ద లాజికల్ థింకింగ్. యూ షుడ్ ఆల్సో ప్రాక్టీస్. యూ విల్ ఓన్లీ ట్రై టు మేక్ ఏ వన్ మోర్ గుడ్ టెక్నిక్ ఆఫ్ యూ. మీరు కూడా ఒక టెక్నిక్ తయారు చేయగలరు, అవునా కదా? నౌ లెట్ us see 7th 8th chapter. In 7th and 8th chapter, in 7th chapter we are going to discuss about distance between 2 points formula, section formula, collinears, area of triangle by using Heron formula, and slope. Children, here I have written 5 questions, depends on most important. And the value of k 7 comma minus 2 5 comma 1 3 comma 1 are collinear. Actually we have to find the collinear by using 2 methods. Sum of 2 distance between points value equals to third value, and area of triangle equals 0, then it is called collinear. But we have less time. In the exam time we should use only 30 seconds answer. Like that we can go with the slope of first 2 points. Very beautiful technique. Slope of next 2 points. What are the points here? First you can take 7 minus 2 5 1 1 pair, 5 1 3k take 1 pair. Put x1 y1, put x2 y2. Here also x1 y1 x2 y2. Slope formula you know very well, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay na? Right. Now here y2 1 minus of minus y minus 2 plus 2 x2 5 minus 7 is equals to this value 3 minus y2 minus y1 k minus 1 x2 minus x1 3 minus 5 3y minus 2 k minus 1 by minus 2 minus get cancel 3 equals to k minus 1 k equals to minus 1 transfer left side, it becomes 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Answer is 4. How it is easy, 30 seconds answer, right? Next, first suppose they are asking slope of any 2 points means, then we can go with only one side. They are asking slope. Put x1 direct in the question paper only, write down like this. Question paper pine pencil toni ila bettandi, direct answer ikkane vachestadi chudandi. y2 minus y1 y2 y1 minus 8 formula minus plus 8 x2 5 minus 4 6 by 1. Answer is 6. Finish. Right? Next, sometime they are asking slope with angles also. Sometime in the paper I saw here 120 degree 45 degree 60 degree in positive x-axis. That time you can use the formula, slope formula, m is equals to tan theta. Here theta how much? Only 120. Actually 120 we don't have in the trigonometry table. We should convert it into complementary angles. So 120 can be written like 90 plus 30. 120 degree with positive x-axis, find the slope by using m equals tan theta formula. Tan 90 cot theta. Tan basically complementary angle, tan cot. Theta plus 30 will be the 30, right? 90 plus theta. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, A, S, T, C. All silver teacups. All students success in 10th. Like that. S. S stands for sine and cosec. But here sine not there, cosec is not there. So negative. So minus cot 30. Minus cot 30. Cot 30 value you know very well. Root 3. Finish. Answer. Okay, beta? Next. Distance between sin theta, cos theta, sin theta like this given x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 y1, x2 y2. Formula, distance between formula you know, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root. x2 cos theta minus sin theta, y2 sin theta minus cos theta. 100% this kind of questions you can write root 2. Root 2, that's it, direct answer. Cos sin cos will given, the answer will be root 2. Okay, next. P 2 comma 5 q x comma minus 7 pq equals 30, then x. Already the distance between 2 points value is given. Find the missing variable x. Simple amount. Yes, I am writing x2 minus x. In the question paper I have to write with pencil like this, dear children, or black pen also, no problem. x2 minus x1, x minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. Minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. Squaring on both sides. What will happen beta? Square root cancel. This is the square. 13 square means 169. A minus whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is 144. 144. Here 4. Transfer right side. x square minus 4x plus 148 minus 169 equals 0. X square minus 4x. Now this is a 12. 21 equals 0. Minus 169 plus 148 value minus 21. Now do that. You stop it here. You have to stop. Don't go with otherwise you can write shortcut also. 1 into minus 21 minus 21 7 3 jar. Here minus. Here bigger number minus, smaller number plus. Minus 7 comes outside, plus 7 plus 3 comes outside, minus 3. We should go with in coordinate geometry positive values only. So answer will be plus 7. X is equals plus 7. Okay, now what I have done? Distance between 2 points formula. If k comma 2 lies in second quadrant, plus k plus 2, both are positive, lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, now minus k minus 2 where is light amma? Quite opposite. 2 quite opposite ఏముంటది బేటా 2 ఇది ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అయితే ఇది ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఒకవేళ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఫామ్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అది బాగా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి డైరెక్ట్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఇక్కడ ఇది 2 లో ఉందంట ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంటది 4 లో ఉంటది కళ్ళు మూసుకొని పెట్టండి కళ్ళు మూసుకొని పెట్టేసి ఆన్సర్ ఆపోజిట్ 2 కి ఆపోజిట్ 4 1 కి 3 3 కి 1 4 కి 2 లైక్ దట్ ఇక్కడ ఇది 2 లో ఉందంటే ఇది 4 లో ఉంటది అంతే నెక్స్ట్ similar triangle condition. What are the similarity conditions? Thales theorem, converse of the Thales, Pythagorean converse. The formulas. Similar. If two triangles are said to be similar, what are the main conditions? Two conditions. If corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same proportion. That is the main condition. What is Thales theorem? If a line will divide the two sides in two distinct places, then the line will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. If a line will parallel to the one side of a triangle, the line will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. This is called Thales theorem or BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Now converse entamma, if a line will divide the other two sides in the same ratio, the line must be parallel to the third side of a triangle. This is a converse. Sometimes they are asking statements also. Next, Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the main theorem. Converse means in a triangle, square of hypotenuse equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Then the opposite angle of hypotenuse is right angle. That is the converse of Pythagoras theorem as well as Baudhayana theorem. Based on this theorem, they are giving some application question. Let us see the application questions here. 1, 2, 3 given. In ABC similar to EFD, angle A 40, angle F 80. Then you see sum of the angles 180 amma. Sum of the angles 180, sum of two sides is greater than the third side, difference of two sides is less than the third side. These are the three note points. So here 40 plus 80, 120, total 180, 120, 180 minus 120, 60. That's it, answer. Next, ABC in C equals 90, D. Amma, chudandi. This is a C, at C 90, CD perpendicular on AB, CD perpendicular on AB, BC square equals, BC square by AC square, very good. BC square by AC square. Here BC, you see my finger, my hand, BC square by AC. Then we can write BD by AD. BD by AD is the answer. That's it. BC square by AC square. Then you can go BD by AD. That is the answer. Okay, clear. Next. Here only, sometimes they are asking AC square by BC square means you should come AD by BD. You should come like that. Okay. Next children, now triangle ABC, D parallel to BC, AD given. Okay, this is based on Thales theorem. Okay, triangle ABC nana. Children, D parallel to BC, AD value x, DB value x minus 2, AE value x plus 2, EC value x. Compulsory diagram వేసుకోవాలండి తప్పదు. What is asking? It's simple. This is AD by DB equals AE by AC. This is a basic proportional theorem concept. AD value x, DB value x minus 2, AE value x plus 2, next EC value x minus 1. Do the cross multiplication children. X into x minus 1, x square minus x. Here a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Nothing but x square minus 4. X square cancel. Minus minus get cancelled. Now x equals to 4. This answer. You are not doing this much answer also. Just simple amma. If you are substituting, draw the diagram. See the answer. See the options. Substitute. Here 4 minus 2. Here 4 minus 2, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. So you write now 4 by 2 is equal 6 by 3. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 3 1 ja 3. 2 equals to 2. Tally. Then answer is perfect. You can do like that. You can do like this. Your choice. Now let us go with 9th chapter and 10th chapter. Now friends, in now tangents and second to a circle and followed by mensuration. Main focus second tangent. Based on tangent they will ask the question this time. No doubt. No doubt. Find the length of the tangent, radius something. Now you see some standard questions are there in tangent and second to a circle. What are the standards? What is second? Second can intersect the circle at two distinct points. Now tangent will intersect the circle at one point only. That point is common point of the circle and to the tangent. And the very important point is what is the angle made by radius of the circle and tangent? That is 90 degree. Angle made by radius of the circle and tangent will be 90 degree. That point is called point of contact of the two. Okay na? And through the radius the tangent will be perpendicular. Through the diameter the tangent will be parallel. How many tangents, how many parallel tangents to write to one parallel line? One only. From the external point, how many tangents we can draw? Two tangents. So these are the standard questions, dear children. Now see the some questions here. Calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of the circle. Radius is 9. You see like this. This is the point circle. These two are the tangent. When the two tangents are drawn, these two must be equal. This point of contact also equal. Here 15. Length of the tangent from a point. This is a 15. So this is 15. From the center to away of the point. Now dear children, what is given? Center radius is given. Radius is 9. Find the length of the tangent. Simple. By using concept of Pythagoras theorem, children. This is hypotenuse. OP square is equals OA square equals to AP square. But you see, yes. Now OP square 15 square, OA square 9 square. This is AP square. 225. This is 81. Now what is the value we are getting? 444. 144. 144. So 144 value 12. So 225 minus 81 is 144. AP square equals 144. AP equals to 12. AP equals to 12. But you are my students, no? You are my students, no? So that is no need to do these all the things. What is given? 15 and 9. 15, 9 by the standard GK knowledge of Pythagorean triplets. Next number will be 12. 12. I told you 3, 4, 5. Clear? 6, 8, 10. Clear? 7, 24, 25. Clear? Now 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25. Next 9, 12, 15. Like that you can keep in your mind, then you will get the answer. So what is the answer? 15 there, 9 there. Next number 12. But direct answer without pen to paper. Direct bubbling. Okay. Next. Second, intersect two places. Tangent intersect at one place. The point of contact making an angle 90 degree. Right. The tangent with respect to the radius will be perpendicular. With respect to the diameter will be parallel. So we have to write the how many tangents to write from the external point? Two tangents. How many parallel tangents? One. Okay. Next. From the figure, very interesting question. Some of these two very interesting. From the figure, this is 80. ABB equals to 80. Find AOB. This is asking. Children, this can be divided into two parts. You see, two parts. This is 80 will be also divided into two parts. Means this is 40. Our point of contact you know very well 90. This is 90. This is 80 of 40. 90 plus 40, 130. Total 180. Na? This is remaining 50. This is 50 means this is also 50. So 50, 50, 100. So AOB how much? 100 degree. But direct how can you say the answer? That I will tell you from our channel students. Let us see Amma. These 2B equals to 180. ఈ two angles ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే 180 కి సమానంగా ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ 80 ఇచ్చారు అన్న. 80 ఇచ్చారు. ఇంకెంత తక్కువ ఉంది 180 కి 100. ఫినిష్. గట్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్. ఇది ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ 50 ఇది డబుల్ ఉంటదమ్మా. డబుల్. దీనికి డబుల్ వస్తది ఇక్కడ. డబుల్. 50 ఇస్తే 50 డబుల్ 100. 70 ఇస్తే 140. ఒకవేళ ఇది ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి. ఇది అడిగాడు అనుకోండి. బై 2 చేయాలి. ఫర్ సపోజ్ x ఈక్వల్స్ 100 ఇచ్చారు అనుకోండి. ఫైండ్ ACB అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? 100 by 2 50. కట్ ద మై పాయింట్. క్లియర్ అన్న? నెక్స్ట్ మెన్సురేషన్. The radius of a cone is 6 centimeter. The radius of a cone is 6 and height is 8 centimeter. Then find the curved surface area of cone. What is the curved surface area of cone? Children, in mensuration compulsory we have to know the cuboid faces, edges, vertices. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. Both cube and cuboid. Diagonal, root 3a. Diagonal of cuboid, root of L square plus B square plus H square. Are you understand now? Now LSA, TSA, all the formulas compulsory రావాల్సిందే తప్పదు. Here curved surface area of cone pi r l. Sir, pi volume 22/7, radius is given 6. Sir, నాకు h ఉంది కానీ l లేదు. l అంటే ఎవరండి? స్లాంట్ హెడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఏం ఫార్ములా వాడదాం? పైథాగరస్ థీరం ఫార్ములా. దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఇక్కడ 6 ఇచ్చాడు, 8 ఇచ్చాడు, నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ పైథాగరస్ చెప్పలేదు 10. Now you can write in. Now 22/7 can taken as 3.14. This is 60. You can multiply. 6 4 is 24. 6 1 is 6 plus 2 8. 6 3 is 18. Fine. Find two numbers back. 188.40 centimeter square is the curved surface area of cone. How many joker gaps? 10. 10 means you multiply with this volume with 10. That is the answer. Next. Now the volume of right circular cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? 5 r square h. I know the formula. You also know the formula. Radius is given, height is given. No problem. 22/7. Radius 6 square means 2 times 8 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 22. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Now 36 into 22. 2 6 are 12. Fatafat you write. 2 6 are 12. Carry on. 2 6 are 3 are 7. Again 72. 2 9 7 792 centimeter cube because volume. Next, the ratio of volume of cylinder cone whose radius and heights are equal. Chudandi, this kind of question they are asking. Volume of cylinder to cone. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. Cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Both are radius same, height same. These two cancel. 1:1/3 means 3:1. Cylinder to cone 3:1. Cone to cylinder 1:3. Remember. Okay. Now a sphere, a cylinder, a cone have the same radius, same height. Then the ratio of their curved surface. Simple amma. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? Here 2 pi r h. Cylinder completed. Now what is the sphere? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r 4/3 pi r 4 pi r square. Next, this cone is 1/3. Cone is having curved surface pi r l. So from this you can observe here, children. Here h is in the place of h you can substitute r. In the place of l you can substitute is root 5r. Root 5r ఎలా వచ్చింది సార్? l equals to square root of h square plus r square. H means this is the sum of two radius. Sphere is having, this is the height. Height is nothing but diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2r. So ఇక్కడ h ప్లేస్ లో మనం ఏం పెట్టాలి? ఇప్పుడు ఈ h ప్లేస్ లో 2r పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా l లేదు, h లేదమ్మా. l is nothing but ఇది. సో h here d is 2r అన్నప్పుడు h కూడా 2r అవుతుంది కదమ్మా. ఈ హైట్ స్పియర్ హైట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ స్పియర్ హైట్ దీనికి అవుతుంది, దీనికి అవుతుంది. సో h ప్లేస్ లో 2r పెట్టండి ప్లస్ r స్క్వేర్. Now 4r square plus 1r square 5r square. Separate the roots. Root 5 into root r square. Square root cancel. Root 5r. So slant height equals to root 5r. అంటే ఇక్కడ పెట్టండి. So 4 pi r square as is right amma. Here 2 into 2 4 pi r into r. Pi r square instead of h I substitute 2r. Pi r square nana. Here also pi as is right. R as is. What is L? Root 5r. So pi r square, pi r into r. Pi r square get cancelled. 4:4 root 5 is the answer. Like these ratios they are asking in the exam time. You know the formula, then answer will be easy. Now let us see more interesting questions upon trigonometry and application of trigonometry. Let us see. Now see children, more interesting question about trigonometry and application of trigonometry. Most of the students are asking about application of trigonometry. You don't worry amma. I thought that if you know the trigonometry, the application of trigonometry is very easy. Really very easy. Today I have to prove it itself. I have to prove it in front of you. And in trigonometry we should cover trigonometric ratios. Compulsory we have to practice amma. What are the trigonometric ratios? 6 trigonometric ratios by using right angle triangle. Next, some specific angle 0 to 90 degree, complementary angle, and what is the position of all silver teacups and identities. This is, you know, the trigonometry questions are very easy, as well as application of trigonometry also very easy. Angle of elevation, angle of deflection. We have to see the object on top of our eyesight, that is elevation. We have to see the object down, and that angle of line of sight will be there in down horizontal line, then it is called angle of deflection. That is definition not required, but based on that I have to prove the question. Let us see. Here cosec theta plus cot theta equals to then cos theta. Okay, this is 3 by 5 answer. Right answer. In option 3 will be there and numerator, that is the answer. But how would I? Cosec cot will be relationship we have no beta. So that is means cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. A square minus b square nothing but cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. This value is given 2. Now cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. Now finally cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. He is asking cos theta, not this value. Here plus is given. Here minus will come, here 2 will be there, here 1 by 2 will come. Up to sometime this is also one of the good question. But he is asking cos theta. So first equation, second equation, we to add it. These two cancel. Cosec, 2 cosec theta, 1 by 2 plus 2, cross multiplication 5 by 2. 1 1 there, 2 2 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, 2 cosec theta. So cosec theta equals to 5, here 2 will come. Okay, na? Right? Now cosec theta, now what is the cosec theta reciprocal? Sin theta. So 4 by 5. 4 by 5. But he is asking cos theta. Relationship between cosec and sin, 1 minus sin square theta. Cos theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin theta, 4 by 5 whole square. Nothing but 16 by 25. Now do the cross multiplication. 25 minus 16 by 25. Nothing but 9 by 25. Square root of 9 by 25. Square root of 9 by cos square theta value this is now. Cos theta value is root 9 value 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the answer. Clear. So what I have done? First equation, second equation added. The cosec theta converted into sin theta. Now I want cos theta. Cos theta means square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Substitute the value, do the cross multiplication, you will get 9 by 25. Root 9 value 3, root 25 value 5. Okay. Now children, see children, here cos of a plus b equals 0. Cos of a plus b in cos theta 0 plus to the cos 90. Cos cancel, a plus b equals to 90. Now cos theta lo cos b root 2 3 by 2 plus to the cos 30. Right, root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Now here b equals to 30. This b value substitute here, a equals to 60. 90 minus 30 60. A equals to 60. A equals to 60. Right now. Next. How would I get this answer directly? No, I did not say no. I am going to say this answer. How would I know direct answer? Simple. This is 2 now. What we are getting next? Reciprocal 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 was 2 to the 4 minus 3 by 2. Actually, we will get 3 by 2. Here numerator 3 there na. In option numerator 3, 1 value will be there. One option only there. That is I am going to take direct answer. Okay. Next. Children, here sin A equals 24 by 25, then sec A. This kind of question you go with diagram. Yes, this is 24, 25, 24. Next value emouthundamma? Say 7. Very good. If you know the three values, what is asking? Sec theta. Here A theta. If for example ABC, A theta. This is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Sec theta reciprocal of cos theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse value 25, adjacent side value 7. 25 by 7 is the answer. You see what I am saying, you should follow, that's it. 24, 25 తెలిస్తే 7 వస్తుంది. Sec theta అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is the hypotenuse here? 25. Adjacent side is what? 7. 7 by 25 cos theta. 25 by 7 is the sec theta. At A only theta. At A only theta. Remember. Which of the following is not defined? Not defined means infinity. Sin 90, 1. Cos 0, 1. Sec 90. Say sec 90 and cos 90. Cos 90. 0, 1 by 0, sec 90 1 by 0, infinity. Cos 90, 0. So this is not defined. Sec 90 is not defined. In this, which of the following is not defined? No? Sec 90. If you know all the values, then it is easy. Just in the time of exam, you write sin theta values 0, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Then all the values will come, no doubt. Next, now fifth question. Tan theta equals 7 by 8, then 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. These questions are here, tan is given, it's sin by cos, nothing but tan theta, we know. Then you can reciprocal it, the volume, then square it. Means 64 by 49. Tan ఇచ్చి ఇలా అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, దీన్ని రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయండి, స్క్వేర్ చేయండి, ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ కాట్ అని అడిగాడు అనుకోండి ఎగ్జామ్లో, రెసిప్రోకల్ చేయకూడదు, దీన్ని డైరెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టండి. 49/64. tan ఇస్తే రెసిప్రోకల్ స్క్వేర్ చేయాలి, కాట్ ఇస్తే డైరెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టి రండి, నో డౌట్ ఎట్. నెక్స్ట్, కొన్ని సందర్భాలలో కాంప్లిమెంటరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తారమ్మా. సైన్ ఆఫ్ 90 మైనస్ థీటా, మీకు తెలుసు సైన్ 90 కాస్ థీటా, 90 మైనస్ ఫస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ ప్లస్ కాస్ థీటా, ఆల్ సిల్వర్. నౌ కాస్ థీటా ప్లస్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 ప్లస్ థీటా, 180 ప్లస్ థీటా థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉంటుందమ్మా. 90 ప్లస్ థీటా సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో స్టార్ట్ అయితే 180 ప్లస్ థీటా థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉంటుంది. థర్డ్ లో లెటర్ ఎవరు ఉంటారు? AST. టీ అనే వ్యక్తి ఉంటాడు. టీ ఎవరమ్మా? టాన్ కాట్ మాత్రమే పాజిటివ్. టాన్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ 180 అంటే 180 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ కాబట్టి మనకి సైన్ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది, థీటా వస్తుంది. కానీ 180 ప్లస్ థీటా థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉన్నది కాబట్టి అక్కడ నెగటివ్ సైన్ వస్తుంది, మైనస్. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ థీటా, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సైన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ థీటా, కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ థీటా, సెక్ ఆఫ్, ఐ టోల్డ్ యు అందండి, ఓన్లీ కాస్ సెక్, కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ థీటా, సెక్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ థీటా మాత్రమే పాజిటివ్ ఉంటాయి, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని నెగటివ్ ఉంటాయి. మరి ఇక్కడ ఇది ఏముందా? సైన్. సైన్ కాస్ లేదు, సెక్ లేదు, నెగటివ్. సో మైనస్ సైన్ థీటా, మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. సో సైన్ క్యాన్సల్, కాస్ క్యాన్సల్. 1 plus 1, 2 is the answer. 2 is your option. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, ఇలా అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, కాస్ ఏ బి, ఏ కాస్ థీటా, బి సైన్ థీటా, ఏ సైన్ థీటా, బి కాస్ థీటా, వాట్ అబౌట్ పి క్యూ? సింపుల్, 100% పుట్ ద ఆన్సర్. p square plus q square equals to a square plus b square. That's it అమ్మా. How is that? Because sin square theta, cos square theta identity ఎలా ఉంటుందండి? sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Like that, p square plus p square equals to a square plus b square. That is your answer. ఒకవేళ sec tan cosec cot ఇస్తే ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది, బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని. మైనస్ వచ్చి b square ముందు వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, go with the application of trigonometry. Waiting for the chapter, I think so. Now I am going to say the chapter. The chapter will be application of trigonometry. Angle of elevation, angle of depression. నువ్వు బిల్డింగ్ మీద నుంచి కింద పోతున్న అమ్మాయిని చూస్తే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ డిప్రెషన్, నువ్వు కింద నుంచి పైన అబ్బాయిని చూస్తే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్. Okay, logically, right? You see that means you should observe the top of the tree, top of the tower, top of the temple post. Now you have to observe from the aeroplane, from the helicopter, see the airport, see the whatever it is. That is the angle of depression. This is the logic I am saying. Maybe they are asking logical questions also. Next, if the length of shadow on the ground of the pole 60 meters height, its shadow will be 20√3. Then sun's altitude means, yes, your aim will be altitude, means perfect 90 degree. This is the diagram. All right angle triangles sama. This is the fold, 60 meters height. This is the shadow, 20√3. He is asking, for example, sun's altitude. This is the angle. Simple. For example, you keep the theta at here. Okay, na? Angle of elevation, no? That is the reason theta must be here. So this is OS. This is A. Opposite side by adjacent side. Nothing but tan theta. Tan theta means 60/20√3. 21 is 23 is 3/√3. The denominator has the irrational number. That is the reason you have to rationalize the with the denominator √3 into √3. So 3√3/3, 3 get cancel √3. In tan theta లో ఎప్పుడు √3 వస్తుంది బేటా? tan 60 మాత్రమే √3 వస్తుంది. So tan cancel, theta equals to 60. The sun's altitude angle is 60 degree. Okay na? Nice. Next, The height of tower is 100 meters when the angle of diffraction of sun is 30 degree. Tower angle of diffraction of sun is 30 degree. 30 degree. Okay. Now then shadow of the tower is shadow here. This is the height of the tower beta. He is asking shadow. This is A, B, C. You know alternative interior angles. These two are alternative interior angle in geometry. Here 30 is given. This is also must be 30. He is asking BC. What is given? AB. Simple we can say that AB by BC nothing but tan theta. Tan theta given amma 30. AB 100. BC we should find. Nothing but exact BC ka direct. Tan 30. 1 by root 3. 100 by shadow BC. BC 1 ja BC. 100 into root 3. 100 root 3. The shadow of the tower is 100 root 3 meters. Finish answer. చూడండి ఎంత బాగున్నాయో అప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ట్రిగోనోమెట్రీస్ రైట్ నా నెక్స్ట్ బై ద డయాగ్రామ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద వాల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాడర్ ఈ వాల్ కి ల్యాడర్ వేసావు నువ్వు పెయింట్ వేయడానికి ఒక పెయింటర్ పెయింట్ వేస్తున్నాడు దీని లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాడర్ అడుగుతున్నాడు అమ్మ ఎంత యాంగిల్ తో వేస్తున్నాడు అతను 30 డిగ్రీ దీని బేస్ ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ద వాల్ టు ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాడర్ ఎంతనా 5 ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఏసీ ఓహో హియర్ థీటా హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ this is adjacent side this is hypotenuse here hypotenuse అడుగుతున్నాడు ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు a ఇచ్చాడు a by h ఎవరమ్మా a by h ఆ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎవరండి a by h cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse adjacent side ab that value 5 ladder length of the ladder is ac theta how much nana 30 cos 30. Yes, cos 30 guess it root 3 by 2 right is equals to 5 by AC cross multiplication AC equals to 5 is 10 root 3 direct answer. How it is simple amma oka step across root 3 AC is equals to 10 AC is equals to AC into root 3 2 by 10 by root 3 now rationalize root 3 by root 3 AC equals to 10 by root 3 rationalize after 10 root 3 by 3 is the answer 10 root 3 by 3. Now, last question. The ratio of the length of the rod and its shadow is 1 is to root 3. Ratio is given. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Simple amma. This is the rod, it's the shadow. Eppudaina height kanna shadow big untadamma. Now, ratio given. Rod, this is 1, this is root 3. He is asking ratio. Ratio is given. He is asking then the angle of elevation of the sun. Elevation of this is asking theta opposite side adjacent side nothing but 1 by root 3 nothing but tan theta in tan theta lo 1 by root 3 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందమ్మా tan 30 substitute tan get cancel so angle of elevation of sun is 30 degree understand angle of elevation ratio base height whatever it is given depends on right angle triangle you can find the value here he is asking BC means tan theta apply. Here he is asking h means I should apply cos theta. For suppose opposite side is given, he is asking hypotenuse means we should go with sin theta. Okay, na? Remember. Next, last two chapters probability and statistics. Let us see. Learn last two chapters probability and statistics. I told you, Nana, I am doing hard work for your sake of your future. You do one thing, you have to watch all the videos in regular manner and write the exam perfect manner. Okay na? Now see the last two topics of you. Probability. Which of the following is not a probability? Asal probability means I told you in that particular video 8 important points I explain amma. What is sure probability or certain probability? What is impossible probability? Probability of event lies between. Okay na? Now deck of card and dice and coin. These are 8 points I explained on the day. Same that 5 points you have to practice well. Then you will give all the questions of probability. Amma. How it is? See, you prove it here. Which of the following is not a probability? I told you that condition. Probability lies between always 0 to 1. Impossible event is 0. Sure event is 1. But probability of event lies between 0 to 1. Between 0 less than or equals P of E less than or equals 1. So means 0.2. It is between 0 and 1. It is a probability. 0.72 also probability. Now 2 by 5, nothing but 0.25. It is also probability. It is not a probability because it is more than a 1. It is like more than a 1. It is not a probability. You see the content based question. Now next, probability of getting 7 when die is thrown once. When the die is thrown once, we are getting 6 numbers better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. But where is 7 amma? 7 is not exist. So it is not possible. So answer is not possible. Next, probability of event is 0.26 here. What is given amma? Here what is given? Probability of not event means the formula will be probability of event plus probability of not event equals to 1. This is given 26 and this will be transferred right side becomes to minus means 1.00 0.26 subtract this 10 9 0 10 minus 6 4 9 minus 2 7 0.74 or else get to keep answer the question in the option. This is there for example, you can add it. You add with this question what is given, add it. Now you will get 1 equals to 1, that is your answer. Okay na? Two ways you can do it. Next, when the kinase starts twice, then the probability of getting at least one head there. Twice amma, twice. 2 square. How many outcomes? Probability of event is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. Possible outcomes 4. He is asking at least one head there. At least one head. 3 times will be possible. So because TT, HH, TH, HT. In this here there. So favorable outcomes 3. Total 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. Right? Next. Ramu takes out all hearts from the deck of cards. Deck of cards 52 beta. The probability of picking diamond. And the total deck of cards nunchi abbai hearts cards తీసుకున్నారంట. So remaining 52 లోకి వెళ్ళి 13 పోతే ఎంత ఉంటాయండి? 39. So 39 లో అతను ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు? Probability of getting diamond. 30 అంటే 52 నుంచి ఒక అబ్బాయి రాముని అబ్బాయి 13 హార్స్ తీసుకెళ్తే 39 కార్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ 39 కార్డ్స్ లో పికింగ్ డైమండ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. డైమండ్ అంటే 13 by 39. హియర్ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాసిబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ ఇస్ 39. Favorable outcomes is diamond is 13, spade is 13, club is 13, heart is 13. Total 26 plus 20 52. Like that your diamond will be 13. 13 1 is 13 3. Answer will be 1 by 3. Don't take 52. After subtraction, then you can take that is 39. 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay na? J, Q, K are face cards that are 12. 6 red, 6 black. Now Ace cards are 4. Now go with the statistics. Children, just now today morning only I made a video, I uploaded. Statistics based on arithmetic mean, median, mode. Now group data and group data. Now empirical relationship between the mean, median, mode. Means mode equals 3m minus 2a dot m. You know very well. Children, from that, the mean of 18 observation is 7. If each observation is added 5, then the new mean. Here added, subtracted, multiplied and divided. You go with the logic. Morning video you see it, the logic will be can you get it? 18 observation is 7. Which is added? 5 is added. Which 7 plus 5. So the new mean will be 12. Multiplied means 7 into 5, 35. Multiplied and subtracted means 35 minus 1. Like that. Here added, I should add it. That is the answer. And some questions. Instead of 32, 23 printed. Instead of 39, they printed 93. Means ఎక్కువ ఉంటే సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి, తక్కువ ప్రింట్ చేస్తే యాడ్ చేయండి అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ ద మీన్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 5. ఫస్ట్ 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 5 మీకు తెలియాలి. ఫస్ట్ 5 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఏమో 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. He is asking me sum of observations by number of observations are 5. Now its sum 15 50 30 50 75, 75 by 5 25. So the mean is 25. The mean of first 5 multiples of 5 is how much? 25. Next, the sigma fi is 20, sigma fi xi is 20 plus 20. Here sometimes they are giving 420 something. Then directly you should divide that is the answer. Here some logic is given. P is asking. Mean is given. So 12 is equals, mean is equals sigma fi x by sigma fi. Nothing but 2p plus 20 by 20. Cross multiplication. 240. Here 2p is equals 20. 20 transport minus 20, 220. 220 equals to 2p. Now I want P amma. P equals to 220 by 2. 2 1 2 1 2 110. What is the answer? 110. 110. Next, this question. Find the mode of this box beta. Like this box is given. Okay. Simple. Highest frequency is what? This is the mode. In this is 18 to 24. In 18 to 24, this is the lower boundary of the model class. 12 is the frequency of the model class. 10 is the preceding frequency of the model class. 6 is the succeeding model of the class. Succeeding frequency of the model class. Here L will be there, F1, F0, F2. The formula will be here. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H or C. L. Lower model class, lower limit of the model class, 18 plus F0 12, F1 12, F0 10 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 is 6. By seeing the table I am writing class interval, how much is increasing? 6 is increasing. That is the length of the class, width of the class. 18 plus 12 minus 10, 2, 12 are 24, 24 minus 16, 8, here 6. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So 18 plus 3 by 2, nothing but 1.5. 19.5 is the answer. 19.5 is the answer of mode. Like this table given lower limit of the model class, frequency, preceding, succeeding. If you know these all, then the answer will be easy. Now sometimes shortcut also required. No, I have to tell the shortcut. Let us see. Mode is asking. First L is what? 18. Here delta 1 by delta. First one 12 minus 10 with fingers 2. Okay, 2. Again 2 right. Plus 12 minus 6. 6. Here 6. Now 18. 2 6 are 12. 2 plus 6 8. 1.5. 12 by 8 is 1.5. Nothing but 19.5. Direct answer. Right? Now, last question of this session, but not least, Nana. You see the median of 24, 20, 32, 18, 28, 16, 20. You write in ascending order first. 16. Next 18. Next 20. 22 times. Write 2 times. Next 24. Next 28. Next 32. First, last, second, third. You should get only single value. That is our median 20. Sometimes we are getting 2 terms. You should average by means divided by 2. You will get the answer. Here, what is the mode of this question? 20, 20. 20 is the mode. Median is also 20. Children, I explained best of my knowledge with continuously 3 hours. Now time is 5:20. I started 2 o'clock. Continuous class I am taking up to 14 chapters. I am giving my best of knowledge to you. You do one thing. You have to write the exam perfect manner. Don't take any tension, Amma. If you are getting any trouble, any something, disturbance in your mind, in our playlist, motivational videos also there. I only did it. You see once 10 minutes video, you will get the strength, and then you have to go with the exam with powerful. And what I told in the starting video, the instructions you should follow. That instructions are very important. Who are practicing is not good. Who are playing in the match is important. That match you have to play perfectly. Definitely you will get the rank. After getting the rank, you have to send your rank through in our channel with as a comment. Okay, now I will give my number also. Today I am posting through about this video. You send your rank, your name, your all ticket number. Then I will your photo also. I will keep in our channel through I am sending to all the people, because that is our gratitude and that is our credit. Right, my dear friends? Most of the time, tomorrow exam is there, no better. That is the reason most of the time this time I have to send the key paper also to you. I am trying to send physics, chemistry also, but mathematics compulsory I will post to you. You wait for that. Friends, till then practice well. Hopefully all the best. Bye bye.